Believe it or not, there's a lot that goes into a roof besides shingles. Here's a list of the 9 products required on every roof replacement job in order of installation. Number 1. Drip edge. Drip edge is a metal, usually aluminum flashing that's installed along the roof edges. The purpose of drip edge is to protect the fascia and also to ensure water ends up landing in the gutter instead of behind it. Number 2. Ice and water shield. Ice and water shield is a rubberized peel and stick underlayment that protects the most vulnerable areas of your roof from damage caused by ice dams and wind-driven rain. Roofing and Beyond installs ice and water 6 feet at the eaves, 3 feet in valleys, and also around roof penetrations, including vent pipes, chimneys, and skylights. Number 3. Felt, synthetic felt. Felt paper or tar paper was the industry standard prior to synthetic felt's arrival in the early 2000s. The good quality synthetic felt is waterproof, tear resistant, and doesn't wrinkle when it gets wet. These benefits can come in handy when inclement weather shows up out of nowhere or if the new roof cannot be completed in one day. Number 4. Starter shingles. Starter shingles are installed on the eave and rake edges to help reduce the risk of water infiltration and also to prevent shingles from blowing off during high winds. Properly positioned adhesive strip bonds the new shingles together, creating a tight seal with a wind warranty up to 130 miles per hour. Number 5. Flashing. Roof flashings refer to thin pieces of material used to prevent water infiltration at roof wall intersections and around roof penetrations. Metal roof flashings made of aluminum are standard on residential shingle roofs, although lead, copper, and galvanized steel can also be used. Number 6. Nails. Most shingle manufacturers recommend a minimum of 4 nails per shingle, but in order to qualify for the maximum wind warranties, 6 nails per shingle is typically required. High-quality roofing nails, like the ones used by Roofing and Beyond, are made of galvanized steel coated with zinc for long-term rust protection and minimum 1.25 in length. Number 7. Attic exhaust ventilation. A well-ventilated attic is constantly removing excess heat and moisture, which helps reduce energy costs, fight ice dams, and extend the life expectancy of your roof. The 2 most common types of exhaust ventilation for a roof replacement project are can vents and ridge vent. Number 8. Hip and ridge shingles. Hip and ridge shingles, also known as cap shingles, are used where 2 different roof slopes meet. Less expensive options should be avoided, but are still used by contractors who cut corners. Higher quality cap shingles won't deteriorate prematurely, perfectly match the roof color, and seal properly and lay flat due to the strong adhesive seal. Number 9. Caulk is used to add the finishing touch on all roofing projects. In an area with daily climate changes, NPC Solar Seal 900 is what the professionals use because it creates a waterproof barrier and stays flexible. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Remember, when it comes to roofing, think beyond.